In this video, I'll show you how to remove an object from a video in Runway. Start by signing into your Runway account and open your dashboard. Next, click Start a new project and upload the video you want to edit. After that, add the video to the timeline and select the clip you want to modify. Now open the Magic Tools or Erase and Replace tool, depending on the version of Runway you're using. Next, use the Brush tool to carefully paint over the object you want to remove. Adjust the brush size if necessary to make your selection more accurate. After that, review the masked area and refine your selection until the entire object is covered. Now click Generate or Apply and wait while Runway analyzes the surrounding frames and removes the selected object. Next, preview the edited video to make sure the object has been removed cleanly. If needed, refine the mask and run the tool again for better results. After that, repeat the process for any additional objects you want to remove from the video. Finally, click Export, choose your preferred video quality and format, and download the finished video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove an object from a video in Runway. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.